Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check the door thickness and backset, 2-3/8 or 2-3/4. Then lay out tools so they are within reach. Use a Phillips and flathead. Remove the interior trim plate first, then unscrew the knob or lever mounting screws. Once the face screws are out, pull both halves apart and slide the latch out. Make sure to keep screws in a small container so nothing gets lost before you install the new unit. Next, insert the new latch into the edge of the door with the beveled side facing the strike plate. That bevel directs the bolt smoothly when closing. Feed the cylinder and exterior assembly through the door, aligning the spindle with the latch. Hold the interior assembly in place and loosely fasten mounting screws so you can adjust alignment. Once the cylinder turns smoothly and the bolt retracts without binding, tighten screws evenly. Make sure the keyed side locks and unlocks correctly before moving to the strike plate. Finish by fitting and securing the strike plate on the door jamb. If it won't sit flush, chisel a shallow mortise or file the edge until it does. Tighten all screws and test the lock repeatedly. Lock, unlock, and close the door to ensure smooth operation. If the bolt binds or the key is stiff, stop. Loosen the mounting screws slightly, realign the bolt and strike, then red-ighten. Once everything operates smoothly, trim any excess, reinstall trim, and confirm final alignment and secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.